I can't believe it. I can't believe it. I have in my hands the Pixel 3a XL. Big shout out to Google. Thank you for sending this out to me. This is a gift from Google. That's right. I am now officially part of Team Pixel. They sent out this gift box for me. That's right. Team Pixel in the building. I was already part of Team 100, but now I'm part of Team Pixel, which I am excited about. I can't believe it. We're going to go ahead and review this, party people. I'm Android Stud. All right, now, so let's take a look at the Pixel 3a XL. Exactly the feel of it, the look of it. Let's go over a couple things now. One of the main things that this thing has that's an advantage over many other mid-range phones. Now, this is a mid-ranger. This Pixel 3a XL is coming in at $479. You can get it at Best Buy. You can get it from Google. You can get it from T-Mobile, Sprint, US Cellular, I believe, and Verizon. So a lot of people are going to be carrying this device, and it's going to cost $479. Now, is that price a competitive price for the specs that you're getting? So let's talk about the specs a little bit. You're looking at a 6.0 inch display. Now, this is a beautiful display. The first thing I did notice is the display is on point. It's not like some other mid-range phones where the display is just not good. This has a nice display. It's a 6.0. There's no notch. There's no way to put a notch on here. There's no way to take away the notch like we've done in the past with our Pixel phones. But this is a very beautiful OLED panel that they used on this Pixel 3a XL. Now, the resolution is 2160 by 1080. Now, as far as the engine that's powering this on the Pixel 3a XL, you're looking at a Snapdragon 670. It is not the Snapdragon 845 that you find in the Pixel 3 or the Pixel 3 XL. So you have a lesser processor, but I'll be honest with you, the 670 is a good processor. So you're gonna be okay there. You get 4 gigabytes of RAM, just like you do on the Pixel 3 and the Pixel 3 XL. So in that retrospect, now you only get 64 gigs of onboard storage. So to me, that is a little disappointing that you don't have any other kind of upgrades as far as going to 128, 256, 512, and so on and so on. But you can save most of your pictures to the Google Photos app or the Google Cloud. So in that retrospect, I'm not sure, but 64 is better than 32, I will say that. But I wish they did have a 128 option or a 512 option. Now, let's talk about the one thing that is awesome about this phone, and that is the camera on this phone. The camera is the same camera, basically, that you get on the Pixel 3 or the Pixel 3 XL. Now, on the rear, you get that 12 megapixel amazing camera that Google, no one does a camera like Google. Yeah, there's debate whether the P30 Pro is better, the Mate 20 Pro and all that. Look, or the iPhone. I'll tell you right now, for me, the best cameras are on the Pixel phones, especially the Pixel 3 and Pixel 3 XL. I'll debate with you all day if you want after this video. You know what I mean? You leave a comment down below, we could talk about it. However you want to do it, we can do it. Now on the front, you get that 8 megapixel camera. on the front facing camera for the Pixel. Now you get the sexy portrait mode that you get on the most of the Pixel phones. Now the portrait mode I think is the best on the Pixel cameras. Now you get night mode, you get a lot of features that the other more expensive flagship gets. You get night sight, you get Google Lens, you get a lot of different stuff on your Google camera. So that is awesome and excellent about it. Now, as far as the battery, it's kind of weird. You get a bigger battery in this than you do in the Pixel 3 XL. The Pixel 3a XL has a 37 milliamp battery, where the Pixel 3 XL only has a 3400. Now, the Pixel 3a has a 3000 milliamp battery, so that's a little smaller. Now, as far as the make of the phone, this is a more of a plastic build, not a glass build like you have on the Pixel 3 XL. This is the Pixel 3 XL. This has more of a glass feel to it. So you're getting more of a more premium device. Now, this is very light. The Pixel 3a XL is very light, feels very light, feels different. Doesn't feel premium or like a glass build, but it does feel nice in the hand. I like the size of this 3a XL. It's real nice. You know, you don't get the notch on the Pixel 3, but 3a XL, but which is a good thing because a lot of people don't like the notch. A lot of people. Now you're still going to get that banging software on here that you have on the. You know, you're always going to have the updates. You're going to have the latest. You're going to be getting Android Q. You could probably do the beta if you want. So in that retrospect, it's a really, really good phone. I mean, as far as, you know, the battery is concerned. Now, a couple things you don't get. You're not going to get wireless charging with this bad boy. You're not going to get water protection on this bad boy. So those are the things that it doesn't have. Now, the cool thing it does have is that headphone jack, which is awesome and interesting. You still have the Type-C, and then the speakers are pretty good because you have a stereo speaker setup on your Pixel 3a XL. Not as good as the Pixel 3 XL, but you're still getting some decent speakers on here. So you're not going to have the water protection or the wireless charging. So for me, that's pretty cool. Now, I will say, honestly, I definitely love the feel of the Pixel 3 XL, the glass build on this. Also, just the overall look of the Pixel 3 XL. Now, there's debate whether you should upgrade from the Pixel 2 XL. I definitely would, because the Pixel 2 XL's display wasn't very good. They had some issues with the LG panel. This is a better display. Now, should you upgrade from, I don't even know if it's an upgrade to go from the Pixel 3 XL. I probably would just stick with your Pixel 3 XL, but this is an excellent device, especially the Pixel 3a with some deals. You can get a really good deal on it, and it's a great device for $399. This is $479. For the price of the camera alone, you're getting an awesome device. And you're gonna get all the great features that a Pixel phone has, which it mean, you know, it's including the software and everything like this. So, hey, the one thing I will say, if you love camera, you love a phone without a notch, and you like a phone that's priced right, hey, why not give this sucker a shot? It's not a glass premium filling phone, but it's definitely excellent. Look, I'm gonna have some more videos on this phone. I wanna thank Google once again for sending this out to me. Gift from Google. Team Pixel in the house. Make sure you follow me on Twitter at Android Stud. Also Instagram at Android Stud. Leave a comment down below. Let me know what you guys think of this phone. But it feels nice. It's real nice. Real nice. So we're going to be doing some more videos on this in the coming weeks. We're going to be doing some camera comparisons. Obviously, I'll be taking some pictures with this phone so that you can see exactly how good the camera is, how snappy it is, and that kind of thing, comparing it to the Pixel 3 XL. Now, here it is up against my Poco. Here, as you can see, the Poco has that notch life. This is bigger than the Poco phone, so this is a bigger device overall, bigger than the Poco phone. The Poco phone is 6.1 inch. display. This is a 6.0. So you have that, and then you have the good old Essential phone here, which is a 5.7 inch display. So, but hey, look, the Google phone is not bad. But thanks for watching the video, guys. Leave a comment down below. Let me know what you guys think of this Pixel 3a XL.